Okay, so I'm going to post the solution to the last question from your assignment yesterday. It's certainly not an easy question, but it is one that has come up on GCSE papers before, and it's one that you do need to be able to solve and understand the ideas behind it. Well done to those of you that got it. I saw some really, really nicely done solutions, so well done. So the first mistake that I saw was people assuming that these two were going to be equal to each other. We don't have the information to tell us that those two are going to be equal. They're not alternate because they're not both on the same transversal. Okay, because this isn't just one straight line, it's sort of two lines put together. You cannot make a connection straight from that angle to that angle. But what we can say is, because we've got these two parallel lines here, if we were to put in a third parallel line through the middle of our angle 80. Now we can't assume that it cuts it in half, which I think would be some people's first assumption. But because this line is parallel to both the top one and the bottom one, we now can start putting in alternate angles. We can say, look, we've got a parallel line here and a parallel line here. So this angle is going to be alternate to this angle. We can say that this angle on top of the line is going to be 80 minus 5x. And we've got this angle here is going to be alternate to this angle here, because these two lines are parallel. So this angle here is going to be 4x plus 10. Okay, so we have got the two, we've got our z here, and we have got our z here. Now we know the size of these two angles. What else do we know? Well, we know that this angle here altogether is 80. So you can say that 80 minus 5x plus 4x plus 10 is equal to 80. Collecting your like terms, you're going to have minus x plus 90 equals 80. So x equals 10.